Hi everyone, my name is Shamir Carter, but everybody calls me Shy. I decided to pursue this MSW degree because of my current place of employment. I'm currently employed at Dover Behavioral Health as an adolescent social worker. Every once in a while, I get an adult when the child census goes down. I already have a master's degree in criminal behavior, so I have a background in criminal justice. I have worked for drug court. I've worked with people with addictions, and I've also worked for Child Protective Services, working with children 12 and under. Whom I had to remove from home and who had issues such as mental abuse, physical abuse, neglect, and their parents may have also had issues such as their own trauma and addiction. I'm hoping that this MSW program helps me to sharpen my skills while working with my clients. I'm hoping that it helps me also just get or gain better knowledge and tools and abilities so that I can be successful in the social work field. I also have a passion for helping people. Just about every job I've ever had was me helping someone or doing a service for a person or their family. Um, I my area of interest is adolescent girls in particular, just because I feel like I can relate to a lot of things that teenage girls go through, as far as, some trauma or dealing with depression, and things of that nature. I also know what it's like to, want to reach out to people, but you're scared to, or, you're lacking a support system. So I would like to be, there to help those girls. I enjoy running my adolescent girl group at my current employment. That's like the highlight of my day. Anything to help those girls and let them know that, there is something different out there and they can make it and get through what they're going through. I'm really excited about this program. Looking forward to this class and, continuing to learn more and new exciting information. So, hi everyone, and good luck with the program.